Welcome to Aksara Max Academy. Today we are going to learn about grade 10 case studies. Topic is pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. So case study number, this is case study number 2. Case study number 1, video link is given in the description. Please make use of it. So shall we go for the question? What the question is? Ram and Sita have water soluble marking pencils with them. Ram and Sita have water soluble marking pencils with them. They together have 60 pencils. Both together have 60 pencils. But Ram have 20 pencils less than Sita. But Ram have 20 pencils less than Sita. So this is the question is given. So first what the question is? The number of pencils Sita have. The number of pencils Sita have. This is a question. So first, what is how many pencils with Ram and how many pencils with Sita? We should know it. So both it is not given. So let the number of pencils with Ram. Let the number of pencils with Ram. So that we are going to take it as X. So let the number of pencils with Sita. So that we are going to take it Y. So this is the condition we have taken. First, according to the first condition we have taken. And next they told that both together have 60 pencils. That means X plus Y is equal to 60. Mark it as an equation number 1. X plus Y is equal to 20. Based on the Sita only given, Ram have how many pencils less? Based on Sita, Ram have 20 pencils less. So number of pencils with Ram, that means X, which is from Sita 20 pencils less. So consider this as an equation number 2. So Ram, how many pencils does have? Ram means when compared to Sita 20 pencils less. So number of pencils with Sita we have taken as Y. So Y minus 20. So solve this equation either by elimination method or by substitution method. So now I am going to do by substitution method. So I am going to substitute 2 in 1. I am going to substitute second equation, first equation. So instead of X, Y minus 20 plus Y is equal to 60. Next 2Y is equal to 80 will come. So Y is equal to 40. So Y means it indicates that Sita. So number of pencils with Sita. Number of pencils with Sita is equal to 40. So what question they asked that we have find it out. So how much question they asked? Sita have how many pencils they asked. So we have find it out, that is 40. Option number C is correct. So next, number of pencils with Ram had. So they asked about number of pencils with Ram also. So that just substitute. So first equation how can we write means 40 plus X is equal to 60. So X is equal to 60 minus 40. So X is equal to 20. So number of pencils with Ram. Number of pencils with Ram. Number of pencils with Ram is equal to 20. So option B is correct. So anybody have any doubt? Shall we go for the third question? Third question. Suppose both Ram and Sita have equal number of pencils with them. Suppose both Ram and Sita have equal number of pencils with them. Then find the number of pencils Ram have. Both of them have equal number of pencils. So that means X is equal to Y. So what the condition we know that X plus Y is equal to 60. So both they are equal like that the question is given. Both they have equal number of pencils. So X plus X is equal to 60. So 2X is equal to 60. So X is equal to 30. So X is equal to 30. So X means you can take it either Sita or Ram. No problem sir. So 30. Here they asked Ram. So that will be equal to the Sita also. So next, the given problem is based on which mathematical concept? The given problem is based on which mathematical concept they asked. So the quadratic equation means the power should be a 2. It is not possible because each power is 1. Polynomial it is not sir. Polynomial also it is not. Because how I selected a pair of linear equation means linear equation. Here you can check the highest power is 1 for the both. So linear which is equal to 60. So linear equation. So option A is correct. So fifth question. If 60 is replaced by 80 in the above cases discussed in the question, then number of pencils Ram and Sita have respectively. If 60 is replaced by 80, so what they have is condition what they are given is both together have 60 pencils first they are given, so that should be replaced by 80. Same condition we can follow it. This is equation number 1. You can keep it as an equation number 1. Already second equation what we have find out, x is equal to y minus 20, that you can substitute that what you are going to get. Instead of x we can substitute y minus 20 plus y is equal to 80. So 2y is equal to 100, so y is equal to 50. 2y is equal to 100, y is equal to 50. So that substitute in the first equation. So 50 plus x is equal to 80, so x is equal to 30. So x means number of pencils with Ram. Ram have 30 pencils because first question they asked Ram. So Ram have 30 and Sita have 50. So option A is correct. So anybody have any doubt? If anybody have doubt, please comment. If you like this video, share to your friends, and still now didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.